Hey guys, alright, so I'm here to show you my new project car, the E46. I sold it and I picked up an E85 2007, and we are going to take this 3.0, drop in a turbocharged version. It's going to be a little bit of work because not everything is going, even though it's the same engine that goes in the 335, a lot of things are different. As you can see, it's been sitting here a little while. It's got the 6-speed automatic, paddle shifts, but I have to do some research. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to change out this coolant reservoir. The 335 has one over there, and the pipe or the radiator hose doesn't plug into it here. It's just a straight pipe to the block. So I'm gonna have to change that out. Hopefully I can just change out the hose and I don't have to change out the radiator, but I'm not sure. I may have to, because, or at least the evaporator, the condenser, I mean, because I'm pretty sure the 335 AC lines are out on this side of the engine, and the compressor mounts underneath the alternator. So there's gonna be some changes I have to make to the car. See, the AC lines run all the way around on this side of the engine, and over here is where the computer, the wiring harness is going to want the computer over here, not over there. Now if it fits over there, okay, otherwise we'll just move it over here. I don't know what I'm going to do with this, because coolant's supposed to go here, your turbo vacuum canisters are supposed to go here. Maybe I can move it over here since this won't be here. I have to route it somewhere, but yeah, it's going to be a fun project. It ran when I started it, or when I bought it, but now it doesn't. It just died on me. No warning, no nothing, just died. And when I towed it home, I found number 2, 3, 4, and 6 cylinder had 0 compression. 0. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to eventually look into that, because I'm gonna rebuild this motor to be another twin turbo motor that I will stick in my 328. But let's see if it will start, because I haven't been here in a few weeks. Nope. See that sound? It doesn't even try. There's no compression in those cylinders. So I don't know if it's a valve issue or if it's just a computer issue, or, I mean, because everything's turning. It's and then I read some forums where these engines, if they've sat a while, the rings get stuck to the piston and they don't seal against the cylinder wall. So I put some oil down there, left it for a couple weeks but it's still nothing. So I don't know. We'll find out when we pull it and rebuild it what's going on. Hopefully we'll find out what's going on. But all right, so stay tuned for this project.